What happens when the world's largest economy threatens to rewrite the rules of global trade? Overnight, President Trump just signaled he's ready to announce new tariff rates for countries trading with the U.S., and the world is bracing for impact. Today, we're breaking down what this means for you, your money, and the global economy. If you want daily updates on global business, trade, and economic trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We bring you the stories that move markets and shape your financial future. Let's set the scene. On July 3, 2025, Donald Trump, now the Republican presidential nominee, told reporters he's considering announcing new tariff rates for America's trading partners as early as this Friday. This announcement comes just weeks after Trump ramped up his campaign rhetoric, promising to put America first and threatening to use tariffs as a tool to protect U.S. industries. Trump's message was clear. He wants to move away from what he calls unfair trade deals and force other nations to pay more to access the American market. He claims this will bring jobs back to the U.S., strengthen domestic manufacturing, and correct what he sees as years of trade imbalances. So, what exactly is Trump proposing? While he hasn't released a full list yet, he's hinted at a variable tariff system, meaning different countries could face different rates, depending on their trade relationship with the U.S. Trump says he could start announcing these new rates as soon as Friday, sending shockwaves through global markets. This isn't the first time Trump has used tariffs as a weapon. During his presidency, he slapped tariffs on Chinese goods, steel, aluminum, and even threatened allies like Canada and the EU. The big difference now? Trump is signaling he'll go even further, potentially targeting a wider range of countries and products. The reaction has been swift. Stock markets in Asia and Europe dipped on the news, with investors worried about a new round of trade wars. U.S. trading partners are scrambling to understand what this could mean for their exports, and many are preparing countermeasures. In Europe, officials warned that any new tariffs would be met with firm and proportionate responses. China's foreign ministry urged Washington to avoid escalating tensions. Even close allies like Canada and Mexico are watching nervously, especially after the recent digital tax standoff. So, why should you care about Trump's tariff threat? Well, let's break it down. First, think about prices. When tariffs go up, it usually means the cost of imported goods rises too. That could affect everything from the electronics you buy to the car you drive and even the groceries in your cart. In short, everyday items could get more expensive for all of us. Now, let's talk about jobs. Tariffs are often designed to protect certain American industries, and in some cases, they do help keep jobs at home. But there's another side to it. Many businesses rely on imported materials or sell their products overseas. If tariffs disrupt those supply chains or spark retaliation from other countries, some industries could actually lose jobs instead of gaining them. Then there's your investments. The stock market doesn't like surprises or uncertainty. If a trade war breaks out, we could see a lot more volatility, big swings up and down, and that could mean lower returns for your investment portfolio, at least in the short term. And finally, we have to consider the global economy. The world is still trying to recover from the disruptions of the pandemic. If these tariff threats escalate into a full-blown trade war, it could slow down economic growth even further, especially in emerging markets that are already struggling. So whether it's the price of your next phone, the stability of your job, or the health of your investments, these tariff decisions really can hit close to home. So what happens now? All eyes are on Friday. If Trump announces new tariff rates, expect immediate reactions from global markets and foreign governments. Watch for statements from major trading partners like China, the EU, and Canada. Expect volatility in the stock market, especially in sectors like autos, tech, and agriculture. And be prepared for the potential of retaliatory tariffs and a new round of trade negotiations or confrontations. What do you think? Are tariffs the right way to protect American jobs? Or do they risk sparking a costly trade war that hurts everyone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who follows global business news.
This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Always do your own research or consult a professional before making investment decisions.